Okay. I decided to get on here because I just got into a trade. I literally, like, here's the thing, like, I don't like to record unless, like, I'm about to get into a trade or a trade is setting up. I got in on a limit order, so sell stop will be here. My take profit is going to be a little bit more than a 1-to-1 because I lost yesterday. So most likely maybe 1.5 because I lost $48. So I want to go for just like a 1.5 because like 1-to-1 would get me $40, and I don't want to just, so I'm gonna cover for like 1.5 if it goes into my direction. So I'll be like approximately $60. So that'd be good. I'm reading Trading in the Zone. There's two things. I'm on chapter 6 now, basically. Let me see if I change the series of that here. Anyway, basically, there are two major things so far that he talked about. It's taking responsibility and the issue of risk. I think I have it highlighted here. Like, yeah, the threat of pain out of market information is so much. Like right now, I'm not gonna lie, my heart is it's like, it's not beating heavy, but it is tingly, you know, that feeling of like like I can't lie. But I realized that my problem is the issues of risk. I have not fully accepted the risk because I have fear towards risk, and I've always had my entire life. Except for like recently, like all this trading stuff and, you know, entrepreneurial ventures and goals that I want to reach. This is new. This is like within the last 2 years new. I was in my senior year of college, and like the like April of senior year of college, which is like if you're in America, like you usually graduate in May. Right, so this is like literally near the end of my university career, and that's when I found out about Forex on the more legitimate side of it, and that's also when I didn't find the book, but it found me, Rich Dad Poor Dad, because I always used to go to the library at my uni, and I would mainly, I mean, honestly, always go to the finance section, and I would just scour and look through the books and pick some out that were good and stuff. One day I'm in the library. I go to the finance section as I always do, and I happen to find Rich Dad Poor Dad in the crevices of like all these books, and this book is beat up. It's not like pristine like this. No, it's like beat up. But I check it out, and I literally, like, I'm not a reader, but I read the way I read that book. The way I read that book, beginning to end, in like not that long. Like, and it was like, wow, like I like something about that book really hooked me, but it was because it was meant for me, a person like me. But all this to say, you know, like I genuinely, like, I feel like I have potential in me to become this great person, but risk has always been something that's been at that boundary that has always shut the door for me, right? Like I've always been so scared of risk that I now fear it, and it's always been the thing that I like run away from, as if it's like something, you know, I don't know, it just has brought a lot of fear to me. And yeah, I don't know, this trade is looking weak, low key. Why am I bullish? I'm bullish because price, if you check the 1 hour, price has been, at the time that I was looking at it, price has been going up. I mean, we made a low and we didn't make another low that was lower than that low. And so we're here now. If we go to the 5 minute, we're making highs right here. Like there was like an area like here. Price came down, price came up, price, you know, then that's when you kind of think like, okay, something like this to go down. But no, price kind of just kept on moving up. And then price was breaking structure. And then price, with this move right here, broke this swing high, this swing low right here. It might look confusing. I don't, you know what, honestly, I thought buys because I saw that demand. I thought it looked clean, and it broke all of this other structure. I could be wrong. If I check the 1 hour, you know, we have this gap up here that, and you know, price has just been dropping for hours, well, days actually, and you know, I'm seeing it through to kind of just go with my plan. And if it's wrong, then it's wrong. I'm sorry. I'm letting my mom down because I'm about to lose $40. Like, I'm sorry, mom. Like I'm just sorry. Like, I'm sorry. Like the $40 is gonna change our lives. Like, you know what I mean? So and that's what I'm trying to take away from my mind, you know, just fear, and just like how it just eats at me. And like today, you know, like you'll be backtesting and you'll be so blasé about and everything, right? And then as soon as like boom, it's the live markets, you're like, my heart starts beating. It's like, and I'm just like you know. But today, you know, I wanted to not freak out. I wanted to, you know, not just like, oh my gosh, it's happening, like, oh my gosh, price is moving, you know. Like, we put our stop loss, like our stop loss is set, you know. If this shit wants to stop me out, I'm not gonna lose the entire account, right? Like, why is this marked up again? Oh yeah, the dude's on. Yeah, looking at it now, it's like this was a bad move in the sense of, oh yeah, we're in a 1 hour supply. So yeah, I just got stopped out. That's pretty valid. That's okay. It sucks, but that's okay. That's the part that I just don't understand. Is like, how do you know what the fuck is going on? You know, like, hold on. Yeah, I should be bearish on. Hold on. Yeah, let me actually think about this. Like, let me go back to what I would do if I was backtesting. I would be looking for sales right now. I would be looking for sales right now. That's crazy. I had to like change my mindset about everything. I had to change my mindset. I was like, hold on. All I had to do was think, what would I be doing if I was backtesting? I'd be looking for fucking sales. I would be looking for sales like no other. And I'm just so glad that maybe that's what I need to tap into, you know, and kind of remind myself. Because like when I start up and I go into trading view, I'd be like, let me see. Okay, M and Q look like it might be setting up for a trade. Might be. And if it does, where would we be targeting? Boy, when we're dealing with this, we're high as fuck. I don't know, mate. Nobody trying to fight you. Go down if you want to. We gotta get. Fill out that gap, please. Gold is gone. What's this? Because we got a little setup here. Hold on, what's going down? Oh, we going up. Oh, we bullish. We bullish. Oh, we got a... Okay. And, I mean, this candle. We have this setup right here, too. We got a gap. Okay, we got some options. We have some options. We go. We got MNQ, not even close to it. We got ES, kind of close to it, but hasn't tapped. GC, not even close. YM though. YM though got something. It's been a little bit iffy, but nevertheless. Okay, maybe YM. Listen, I'm here. I'm here, babe. I'm here to learn these. I'll go in. I don't care. Let's go. If it taps, it taps. I might blow my account today. I might on a Friday, of course. Even though we said we were gonna get better. The only reason I'm making this is because I want to take trades. Like, I genuinely, I'm in a mood to take trades. Because I need to learn. This one trade a day stuff, that's perfectly good if you know what the fuck is going on. Me though, I need to lose money. That was the title of the last video I put. I need to fail. I need to lose money. I need to get used to losing money. I need to be okay with losing money. I need to overcome the fear of losing money. I need to overcome my fear. And the best way to overcome your fear is to just fucking do it. Listen, I haven't lost a lot of money in the markets because I have not exposed myself like hard. Like, people be losing like hundreds and thousands of dollars. Like, I've lost $1,000, 100%. But I haven't lost like, and this is within a span of like a year. Some people lose that in a day. Just trading. I never traded back on Forex huge lot sizes or just to go and like, no. I'm chill, you know, I'm chill, and this is play money for me, and I'm still like panicking about it. Might get an entry depending on what price do here. We'll see. Okay. Q. I'm out. It was very, very close to my TP, but I peeped that I already hit TP on my MNQ. That's what I was going for. That's the amount that I needed. I'm out. I'm good. I don't need to be greedy. I don't for those extra little. Nah, I'm out. It can hit TP like the original Like, it's probably gonna go into, but it's just like, I'm not that strong. I'm not that strong. I'm gonna be honest. I'm not that strong. It's probably gonna hit it. It's most likely going to. I'm not that strong. I'm not that strong yet. I held for 1 to like, I'm happy. I'm proud of myself. Damn, I'm losing money. Count back. Oh, what do you mean? Okay, so I made maybe like $90. So that covered the loss that I took yesterday, the loss that I took today, this one. Now, well, we'll see. We'll see, blood. We'll see. I kept my stop loss, the original, same. If it stops me out, it stops me out. Pretty sure that is going to be the last trade for me, for the day. I don't really know. I was looking at gold, but I was like, I'm already in MQ. I'm already in US 30. Let me chill. But I was looking at gold too. But I was like, bro, 3 trades, 3 positions at the same time. That's kind of gnarly though. Yeah, this is Shawn looking kind of crazy. Not gonna cap. Oh shit. It is 8:29. Okay, well. I'd rather get stopped out than get put in for some bullshit. So I cleared it because it's like, sometimes it's like, you don't really want to have at the open. I'd rather have my stop, whatever they want to do at this area. If they want to go up, that's perfectly fine. I'm here. Oh, I'm out. I closed. I'm out. I was out. Absolutely not. Did y'all see that? I was, as soon as it gone, I'm gone. It could go up. It could go straight all the way up. It could make all-time highs. I'm out. I am out. Oh, look at that. Oh. Oh. Look at that. And this shit is recording? Oh. Damn, my hair look crazy. I just... Yo. That's funny, bro. That's funny. Did y'all see that? I hope y'all saw that. That shit is funny, bro. This gonna... Alright. I'm sorry. I'm like ADHD down right now. But yeah, I'm about to end this, and I'm gonna be backtesting 100% over this weekend, building confidence when it comes to directional bias, building confidence in myself to take trades, cut out that hesitation, cut out all that bullshit, stop being bitch made. I have a note literally right there. 1 hour plus 5 minute equals success. And I also have we are a scalper 1-to-1, but only when we're good and we're winning. 1-to-1s are okay, but when we're losing, risk management is necessary, and I'm just happy that I'm aware of that, and I executed that, and I held my trade for 1 to 2 plus, like 7, basically close to a 1 to 3. But yeah, okay, I'm out.